Every single AI breakthrough you've heard about this year, ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, runs on chips connected by copper wires. Copper, the same metal humans have used for 10,000 years. But now that copper is becoming the single biggest bottleneck holding back the entire AI industry. It's the wires, not the chips, not the software. And a $3.8 billion startup just raised $500 million to kill copper for good using light. Stay with me, because this changes everything about how AI gets built. You have thousands of GPUs, NVIDIA's most powerful chips, and they need to constantly talk to each other. Billions of data transfers every second. Right now, all of that communication travels through copper wires, and copper has three massive problems. The number one problem is speed. Copper can only move data so fast before the signal degrades. As AI models get bigger, the demand for faster data transfer is outpacing what copper can physically deliver. Problem 2 is power. Moving data electrically through copper generates heat. That heat needs cooling. Cooling needs energy. In a data center running 100,000 GPUs, the power wasted just on moving data between chips is enormous. We're talking gigawatts. Distance is the third problem. Copper links can only stretch a few meters before signal quality collapses. That means your GPUs have to be physically close together, which limits how big you can build a cluster. The AI industry is hitting a wall, not because chips aren't powerful enough, because the wires connecting them are from a different century. Now here's where it gets interesting. What if instead of moving data as electricity through copper, you moved it as light through fiber? That's not a new idea. We've had fiber optic cables for decades, but the problem was always the same. Converting between electrical signals inside the chip and optical signals in the fiber took extra hardware, extra power, and extra latency. You'd gain speed, but lose efficiency. Until now, a company called IR Labs just cracked this problem in a way nobody has done before. Instead of converting at the edge of the chip, they built a photonic chiplet, a tiny optical engine that sits directly on the processor itself, right next to the GPU die on the same package. That means data goes from chip to light to fiber in almost zero distance at 10 nanoseconds of latency. For comparison, copper interconnects at that scale, orders of magnitude slower and far more power hungry. And because the data is traveling as light and fiber, it's not limited to a few meters anymore. You could connect GPUs across an entire data center as if they were sitting side by side. This isn't a research project in some university lab. In March 2026, IR Labs closed a $500 million funding round, bringing their total funding to $870 million and their valuation to $3.8 billion. But who's backing them? NVIDIA, Intel, and AMD. Think about that for a second. The three biggest chip companies on the planet are all investing in a startup that replaces copper with light inside their own systems. IR isn't alone in this game. The day before their announcement, NVIDIA injected $4 billion into two other photonics companies, Coherent and Lumentum, specifically to scale up manufacturing. $4 billion in one day on photonics. The AI industry is placing its biggest bet yet on replacing copper with light, and it's happening right now in 2026. Copper served us well for 10,000 years. But AI doesn't run on the same timescale as human history. It runs on nanoseconds, and light is faster. If this kind of deep dive into AI hardware is what you're here for, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We cover the technology under the AI headlines, the chips, the physics, the billion-dollar bets that most channels aren't talking about. I'll see you in the next one.